Welcome to today's lesson. We will be learning how to make inferences in listening. So when you make an inference, you use clues given to you along with the tone of the speaker and the knowledge that you already have to understand the speaker. So we have clues. Those are things we can listen to and listen for to help us understand what the speaker means. We can also look at his tone. We listen to his tone, whether it's positive, negative, high tone, low tone, sad. We study his voice. And yes, we have to use what we knew before, the knowledge that we have to help us understand the speaker, making inferences in listening. So listen to this audio. Can you answer these questions by making inference? What does the speaker do? What is his job? How does the speaker feel about his professor? Did the professor make a good first impression on the speaker? Listen and make inferences asking yourself these questions.
When I first met my professor, he shook my hand firmly and then asked me questions about myself. He was very polite. He also was relaxed and seemed interested in what I was saying.
Okay, so we know from the listening that he is a student, the speaker. We know that if you have a professor, you are usually a student. We can tell by his tone that he is happy and he likes his professor. He sounds excited. There are other clues that help us, and that is that we know that his professor is a teacher and the speaker is a student, and the teacher's relaxed. He had a firm handshake and he paid attention to the student. He listened to the student and the student loved that. So then we can say, after listening, that he is a student. What does the speaker do? Well, he is a student, clearly. And we know that he likes the professor. That's how he feels about his professor. And likewise, the professor made a very good impression. Yes, he did, because he was relaxed, and the student said he was relaxed, and the student said that he listened to him. So with these clues, the tone, and previous knowledge, we can understand what the speaker is saying by making inferences.